Hello all. Welcome to the channel. Let's start. Which series became a global hit among Gen Z for its dark games and social commentary? Option 1. Money Heist. Option 2. Squid Game. Option 3. The Boys. Option 4. Euphoria. Well done. Which app encourages users to post real, unfiltered photos once per day? Option 1. Instagram. Option 2. Be Real. Option 3. Snapchat. Option 4. VSCO. Well done. Which app's logo features a white ghost on a yellow background? Option 1. WhatsApp. Option 2. Snapchat. Option 3. Telegram. Option 4. Discord. Well done. Which music artist is known as the Queen of Gen Z pop? Option 1. Ariana Grande. Option 2. Billie Eilish. Option 3. Taylor Swift. Option 4. Selena Gomez. Well done. Which game became a massive Gen Z favorite during the pandemic? Option 1. Fortnite. Option 2. Among Us. Option 3. PUBG. Option 4. Minecraft. Well done. Which YouTuber turned boxer is known among Gen Z? Option 1. Logan Paul. Option 2. Mr. Beast. Option 3. Carl Pye. Option 4. Jake Paul. Well done. Which popular show depicts teenage struggles with social media and identity? Option 1. Stranger Things. Option 2. Euphoria. Option 3. Riverdale. Option 4. Outer Banks. Well done. What does Riz mean in Gen Z slang? Option 1. Money. Option 2. Charm or charisma. Option 3. Energy. Option 4. Style. Well done. What does the acronym FYP stand for on TikTok? Option 1. For You page. Option 2. Follow your passion. Option 3. Find your people. Option 4. Feed your profile. Well done. Which Gen Z celebrity became famous from Disney's High School Musical? The musical, the series. Option 1. Zendaya. Option 2. Olivia Rodrigo. Option 3. Sabrina Carpenter. Option 4. Selena Gomez. Well done. Thank you for watching.